Okay, guys, I got 15 minutes on the clock here. 3:30 in the afternoon on the East Coast, and we're going to explain something to you about Hilton Moore, Forex master trader here. Let's talk about him real quick. So, at the beginning of 2016, he was advertising 100% win, no losses. And long story short, that's bullshit. Because you can never be 100%, and you cannot be 100% winner all the time. It's impossible. Yeah, I don't know how you can do it. I don't know how he did it, but he didn't do it. I know, because if he did, he'd still be talking to me, and he'd be talking to all of his clients. And he wouldn't be a little bitch about the Google chat room that he had us all in, where he had little bitch people in there sitting there running their mouth while he's trading. And apparently there was some chat rooms and chat room rules, and hell, when you haven't been in the chat room, how the hell do you know what the rules are if you ain't never told anybody? So kicking people out of the chat room, blocking them, and blocking other people, yeah, being a little bitch. So, yeah. Well, Hilton, here's to figuring out how you actually do your trading, buddy, because we're all going to figure it out one way or another, because some of these people are desperate, and you left people high and dry when we were trying to build our accounts up, and you could have said, hey, here's 30 grand and been done with it. Let people do their own account. But no, you had to take their account and bust it because you over leveraged the account and you caused too much loss because you didn't actually know where the market was going. So with that being said, we're going to figure out, somebody's going to figure this out. I don't care one way or another. We're going to figure it out, folks, and this is where I'm going to go with this. So here it is. You can go on YouTube, type in Hilton Forex, or you can type in Master Forex, whatever. Little guy here, Sasan. I don't know how to pronounce that. I really don't. Sasan. FX1. Anyways, this is a really cool character here. He's got a lot of stuff on his YouTube channel. Very informative. Very cool things for traders to learn from. You guys just need to pay attention, and you'll learn something here. You'll also learn something here on this video too. Don't have very much time. I got 12 more minutes left, so let's get with it. So in his first video here, graciously, he's taken a bunch of his videos and then he's put them all in little one here. So he's fixing to open up a trade here. Yeah, so here's the beginning. He's opening up a trade right here. He's buying the market. Okay. So he bought the market right here. It went up 70 standard lots. That's 16. So 7, 14, 16. That's about 2.3, 2.4 pips. What he just took. And then he got out. How did he know that trade was going to go up? I'm telling you, folks, listen to this guy talk on this video. I'm going to show you something real too. Here's that trade. Okay, he was right here. Boom. 2.3 pips. Look what it did right after he got out. Went down 6 pips. You know, $700 a pip you know, and all he did was 2.3 and got out. That's I don't get it. How do you know that at that time it was going to go up? It don't make any sense. I mean, you could say that there's moving. I guarantee you, there's moving averages involved. He knows something. He's done this or he's learned something. He's not too bright on the MetaTrader 4 because you can see how he navigates through the MetaTrader 4. He can't navigate through the MetaTrader 4 very well. He has no idea. So, anyhow, long story short here, folks, we've got these issues where I just put I think this is a 2 moving average. Yeah, 2 period exponential. Probably put it on simple, but again, simple's a little smoother. But what is it? Did the market open up and then the next candlestick he decided to get in and take it because it opened up above the 2? I mean, this is a little sharp 2 moving average. I don't care on a 5-minute chart. You'll see that moving average go up and down and crazy. So what is it that's making him think that this or know that this is going up? And what is the exit strategy? I mean, according to all the videos, it's him getting out. So what is it? I don't know. So again, he traded here. Let's go back to that because we're running out of time. So he bought it again here. I think that's the same one. Okay, yeah, that's a different one there. So it goes up 3 candlesticks, skyrockets, shooting star, as they say. He gets back in and then he goes. All right, then he goes to a sell. Like, okay, the trend is down. We can all clearly see the trend is down. So what is it? Guys, we need to figure this out. Because how can a guy take a $10,000 account, make this amount of much money within 30 days, makes this much in 30 days, and in less than 6 months, or less than 8 months, he's got $400,000 in his account? I wish somebody had that video where he's got $400,000 in his account, because that was the last video he ever did, and he scooted. I mean, if I had almost $500,000, I guarantee you guys never see me either. I'll be gone. Nuh-uh. You ain't coming around me. You ain't gonna find me. I'm hiring a butler. I'm hiring somebody. I'm hiring an army of people to surround me. And I'm going to have my own little village. But anyways, digressing here. Again, how does he know this, people? We need to figure this out. Why can we not band together, come together, and figure out how he's doing it? There are markets out there, or people out there who's already got this figured out. And, I'm telling you, it might be a moving average thing or it might be a volatility thing. I don't know. But this guy has got to know something. And we have to figure it out, folks. Because this is unbelievable. 9/23. Let's go over here. September 23. I think that's the one. 15/24. Nope. That might be it. 15/24/40. Yep, goes over. Yeah, he sold it right there. Hey, you know, if he sold at 15.44, he sold it right here. I mean, look at that. He could have gotten 50 pips. I don't get it. I can see the downtrend. There's a downtrend. But what makes him sell it? It don't make any sense. I mean, it kind of does, because if I were, thinking about this hard, let's say, okay, well, there's a 2 moving average. It's up underneath the moving average. It can go down. But, you can't predict that the market's going to go down. I kept, I've traded the markets for over 8 years and never been successful in that one bit. And I damn sure ain't going to take a chance on, okay, let's see the market's going down over 556 pips here. It's going to continue going down. So I'm going to open up a standard lot, $10 a point. Oh, look, it went against me, and now I'm like $200 in the hole. Panicking because I don't have enough leverage. So what is it? Yeah, I mean, I can see this being a support right here, and it went up. Of course, that's besides the fact. This is after the fact that it happened. Anybody can go back and here's the support. I bought it, but as the market continued down, there's nothing in the news that says that it's going to continue going down. There's no news reports happening. It's just a simple trend. Why is it going down? Why is the market doing what it's doing? We don't know. Why is Hilton, selling this and taking only a few pips? Don't make no sense. It don't make any sense at all. And then we have here, this, we only got a couple more minutes. But right here was another one. He sold it. He sold it somewhere in here. Made a few pips and got out. Why? I mean, clearly this is the bottom. Don't know, don't care. It's just so fathom that he got lucky on this one and I think he made like 3 or 4 pips off of it. 3.5 anyway. And then he sold it again over here. He sold it here and got out here. And this is when he was doing 100 standard lots, which is $1,000 per pip. I mean, this is astronomical shit when you're trading that much on a account with 500 leverage. And I don't care. 100 standard lot, $1,000 a pip is not something I want to be in the wrong way with when the market goes against me, or, the broker decides, well, he's leveraging too much on his account, so let's fuck with him and take him out. Guys, we need to figure this out. I got a few seconds left. So, yeah, I mean, let's come together as a community here. Let's figure out how this guy's doing this, and I believe we can make it happen. I believe we can figure this out. There's no reason why we can't all have the same strategy, be in the market together, and trade and make money doing this and take back from the broker. I hate it for you guys that have got major pip spreads, and not everybody can go with this broker, but we need to figure it out.